Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Greenworks Pressure Washer 1600 PSI is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your home cleaning arsenal, capable of tackling everything from stubborn grime on your patio to delicate tasks like washing your car with its impressive 1600 PSI of cleaning power and efficient water flow, making it an indispensable asset for homeowners seeking a reliable and effective solution for a wide range of outdoor cleaning needs. Number 5. Greenworks 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. Introducing the Greenworks 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. Experience powerful cleaning for all your light-duty residential needs with a simple push-button start. No more hassle with gas or oil. This versatile tool is perfect for cleaning cars, trucks, boats, and outdoor furniture. It effectively tackles decks and windows, making your home sparkle. Your safety is paramount. It features a 35-foot power cord with a GFCI plug that automatically shuts off power for protection. It comes complete with a pressure washer gun, 25 degrees and 40 degrees nozzles for different cleaning tasks, a soap applicator, and a 20-foot tangle-free hose. Invest with confidence. This pressure washer is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, protecting your purchase against defects. What we like. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to clean your car, patio furniture, or windows, this is a great choice. It requires no maintenance, so you can just pick it up and go. The GFCI plug also adds an extra layer of safety for home use. What people say. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver around my car and driveway. The pressure is good for cleaning my patio and deck. It comes with several different nozzle attachments for various cleaning tasks. Number 4. YAMATIC Horizontal 3/4 Shaft Pressure Washer Pump. Give your old power washer a new life with this replacement pump. It delivers high performance, producing up to 3,400 PSI at 2.5 GPM, making tough cleaning jobs easier. Designed for durability, it features stainless steel pistons and an integrated unloader with an easy start system. This ensures a longer service life and reliable operation. This pump is designed to fit most horizontal shaft engines from 180 to 225 cubic centimeters. It's a great replacement for many popular brands like Honda, Simpson, and Karcher. It includes TRV protection to prevent overheating and a double seal system for extended durability. The adjustable unloader allows you to customize the pressure for your specific needs. Get started quickly with the pre-filled oil and easy start mechanism. It's designed for straightforward installation and years of dependable use with your pressure washer accessories. Perfect for cleaning walls, sidewalks, vehicles, and more. Its robust performance makes it a versatile tool for any cleaning project around your home or property. What we like. If your existing pressure washer pump has failed and you want to revive your machine, this is the perfect solution. It offers high pressure and flow, and the adjustable unloader lets you fine-tune the output for various tasks like cleaning walls and sidewalks. What people say. It has a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot hose. It comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, 0, 15, 25, 40 degrees and soap nozzle, dot. The pressure washer is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the yard. Number 3. Greenworks 2000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. Introducing the Greenworks 2000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. It's designed for efficient cleaning of residential areas, tackling medium-duty projects with ease. Featuring a robust 14-amp motor, starting is as simple as pushing a button. For added convenience and energy saving, it automatically shuts off when not in use. This unit comes with multiple nozzle options, including specialized tips for different cleaning tasks. You can easily switch between high-pressure cleaning and applying detergents. Perfect for cleaning decks, fences, concrete patios, and sidewalks. It handles everything from patio furniture and grills to walkways and vehicles. The onboard soap tank makes it simple to transition to cleaning detergents. Just change the tip, and it automatically draws the soap for a deeper clean. Rated in accordance with PWMA standards, you can rely on its performance. It delivers 1.2 GPM for efficient and effective cleaning. What we like. For those tackling medium-duty projects like cleaning decks, fences, or grills, this is an excellent option. The push-button start makes it easy to use, and the onboard soap tank simplifies detergent application for a more effective clean. What people say. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the yard. The pressure is good for cleaning decks, patios, and cars. The included nozzles provide versatility for different cleaning tasks. Number 2. Greenworks 2000 PSI Electric Power Washer. Tackle tough dirt and grime with ease. This powerful tool restores the look of your decks, fences, and patios, making them look brand new. With an extended pressure hose, you can reach more areas without moving the unit. Enjoy greater reach without compromising on cleaning power. The long power cord, featuring an inline GFCI, ensures safe operation with any exterior outlet. Clean your entire home's exterior with confidence. Easily switch between high-pressure water and cleaning detergents. This feature allows for a deeper clean on stubborn stains. This product is PWMA certified, guaranteeing its performance and reliability. It's ideal for all your medium-duty cleaning projects around the house. What we like. If you need a reliable tool for medium-duty cleaning tasks and appreciate a bit more reach, this is a solid pick. The 25-foot pressure hose and 35-foot power cord give you flexibility, and its PWMA certification ensures performance standards are met. What people say. It has a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot hose, which provides a good range. The pressure washer is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the yard. It comes with several nozzle attachments, including a 15-degree and a 25-degree nozzle, for different cleaning tasks. Number 1. YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Wand Kit. Introducing the YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Wand Kit, engineered for superior cleaning performance. This robust kit is built to withstand high pressure, making it ideal for all your demanding cleaning tasks. Effortlessly clean cars, pools, windows, and more with the flexible extension lances. Adjust the length up to 40 inches to reach every corner with ease. Designed for comfort, the lightweight pull trigger and shockproof handle allow for extended use without fatigue. Its maneuverable design ensures you can clean with precision and ease. Experience lasting durability with its quality craftsmanship. Featuring solid brass fittings and a steel pole, this tool is built for leak resistance and long-term reliability. This gun is designed for broad compatibility. With M22-14mm and M22-15mm fittings, it connects seamlessly to most M22 thread hoses, and a universal 1/4 quick connector works with various accessories. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues, our 7/24 customer service team is ready to assist you. Explore more accessories at the YAMATIC Power Center store. What we like. If you're looking to upgrade your current pressure washer's gun and wand for more versatility, this kit is ideal. It's compatible with many brands and offers adjustable lengths with extension lances, perfect for detailed work on cars or cleaning roofs. What people say. It has a powerful motor that delivers 1,600 psi of cleaning power, making it effective for a variety of tasks. The pressure washer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is a big plus for users who need to move it around frequently. It comes with several nozzle attachments that allow for different spray patterns, providing versatility for different cleaning needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.